Diseases. A disease is a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in healthy condition. In that, two types of diseases are there. One is, however, disease can also occur due to the other reason. In general, diseases are of two types. One is non-communicable disease, another is communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are those that do not spread from one person to another. Some of the non-communicable diseases are caused due to the deficiency diseases. In that, three columns are there. Deficiency diseases caused due to the lack of food containing the vitamin or mineral. In that, first one is night blindness that causes vitamin A, food containing green leafy vegetables, papaya, carrot, mango, milk, butter, and egg yolk. Next one is beriberi, vitamin B1, milk, peas, cereals, and green vegetables. Next, scurvy, vitamin C, amla, orange, lemon, and tomato. Again, next one is rickets, vitamin D, milk and milk products, and goitre, iodine, iodized salt, carbon berries, and seafood. Next one is anemia, iron, spinach, apple, guava, brinjal, and meat. Other non-communicable diseases such as allergies are caused when a person is sensitive to certain substances such as dust, certain foods, and drugs. Diseases such as a obesity and heart conditions are caused due to the food content. Some heart conditions may also be present at birth or may be passed from the death. Diseases such as diabetes and arthritis may be caused when a part of the body fails to the attach. Diseases such as cancer can be caused due to the smoking, excessive drinking. Communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are those that can spread from one person to another. They are generally caused by germs. Germs are disease causing microbes. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, the germs causing the disease are released into the food and water that have been left uncovered, attract flies. Flies carry germs, pass them on to the uncovered food and water. Mosquitoes and some other insects can transmit germs through their bite. When mosquito bites a person infected with malaria, it sucks in germs along with blood. Next, some communicable diseases. In that three columns are there. Communicable diseases, symptoms, prevents or measure. Common cold, cough, sore their throat, runny nose, fever, regular hand washing, and keeping away from the infected person. Next one is pneumonia. Cough, fever, shaking, chills, and shortness of breath. Treatment and with antibiotics. Tuberculosis. Fever, chills, night sweats, loss of appropriate weight loss, weakness, continued cough, chest pain. Treatment with antibiotics. Antibiotic substance that can kill disease causing organisms. Preventive communicable disease. Hygiene may be defined as practices that help to ensure cleanliness and good health. We should eat clean and healthy food. We should not eat uncovered food from roadside vendors. We should wash our hands, brush our teeth, and bath daily. We should always eat food from clean utensils and clean hands. We should not drink unclean water. We should not allow water to collect in and around our homes. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. We should keep our surrounding clean to control files. We should throw garbage in dustbins. We should stay away from infected people as much as possible. Some communicable diseases can also be prevented by vaccination. Vaccination is the use of special substance called vaccine to prevent specific diseases. Vaccines helps to build up a resistance in the body. Most vaccines are given to children when they are very young. Summary: the food contains five main components: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Our diet must include adequate amounts of different components of food. In general, diseases are two types: non communicable and communicable diseases. Many diseases can be prevented through vaccination. Good hygiene also helps in preventing